Para sa inyo, sir, wala man pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do?
So, in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganun lang, sir. Lumaban, sir, eh. Pulis, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga niya yung misis niya, kami pa.
Napatay niyo sa bahay niya.
Yes, sir.
Nag-operation
Pinapalit namin
kayo.
talaga, sir. Yes, sir.
Advantage of the presence of the former president, and then as now the police generals present this afternoon. Narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Presidente? Generals Danao and Coy, do you confirm what the President said? Na kung involved ang police ninyo sa krimen, siya mismo ang pinapatay daw niya. So ano, do you confirm such a statement?
Alam nila yan.
As far as I'm concerned, sir, when I was under the Davao City Police Office, hindi naman siguro sila pinapatay.
Sige, tell us.
As far as I know, sir, wala man pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do? What do you do to the policemen involved in crime?
Policeman is involved in crime, sir.
That
Okay.
is the scenario. Oh.
Sir, nung panahon ko, when I was the city director, there was one policeman who was discharged for illegal drugs. And unfortunately, hindi ko na lang po i-mention yung pangalan kung sino yung congressman na nilapitan at na-reinstate po sa serbisyo, in short. Okay, he was already discharged from illegal drugs. Wala pang 1 year, sir. Walang ginawa kundi magmaoy, mamaril, at binabaril niya, sir, yung kanyang misis, binabattle indok niya yan. Okay? So, in short, sir, yung taong yun, kinausap ko. Kasi sabi ko, kababalik mo lang, baka pwede namang maglaylo ka. Okay? So, ang nangyari, sir, naglaylo siguro ng 3 linggo. Ganon uli, sir. So, binaril na ng binaril yung misis niya. And accordingly, sabi mismo ng misis niya, Sir, kaya po laging nagwawala na naman itong mister ko dahil bumalik uli sa droga. So, in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganon lang, sir.
Anong circumstances? Meaning pinatay ninyo, paano?
Sir, lumaban, sir, eh. Pulis, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga niya yung misis niya, kami pa.
Napatay niyo sa bahay niya.
Yes, sir.
Nag-operation
Pinapalit
kayo.
namin talaga, sir. Yes, sir. Pinapalit namin, sir. Nakalimutan ko lang yung apelyido. Pero that was when I was the city director. I think it was 2014.
Anong month po?
I am familiar with the...
Sige, sir. Can you supply the details, Mr. President?
Yes, lumaban, sir.
Yung petsa, so that yung mga gusto mag-research further sa insidente, anong petsa, anong pangalan ng tao?
And I cannot... it would be impossible to remember that. I have to go back home and...
General
dig
Danao,
into
month
it.
and year? Para lang because this happened in Davao City, pero anong month and year? Para...
Yes, sir. Hindi ko lang, sir, maalala yung pero I was the city director, sir, eh. Pero that was from... Kasi I was assigned, sir, from 2012 up to, 16 yata? Or basta almost 3 years yun, sir, eh.
Thank you.
So, walang ginawa yun, sir, kundi magsumbong sa station. And, actually, pinatawag ko, sir, yung police, eh. Yun yung pinagtataka ko, sir. Dahil na-discharge na ito, hindi ko na lang sasabihin, sir, kung sinong congressman yung nilapitan niya.
Sige po.
And, nakabalik, sir, sa serbisyo. So, yun ang nakakasakit, sir, sa atin. Dahil, dinischarge ka na nga for illegal drugs, and yet, nakabalik ka uli. Pagbalik mo, the same trabaho, illegal drugs pa rin. So what will we do dun, sir? Alangan naman na misis mo, binabaril mo, buntis, binabatil indok mo, hindi lalo na sa ibang tao.
Thank you, General Coy. Any reaction?